Kaparo antire weche ma katiba ene jokedne ratich oganda obago romo e karomo ma Jivanjibo ma Nairobi mar dhialo higni 16 mar katiba. E romo ne ma olalruokie moloyo en bedo ni jotelo ma pachoka osebedo ka thiro ratiro ma ichiwo kod katiba e ng'anyo kod golo paro ma onge akweda. Makare kod jokedne ratich oganda ma koni piny owacho osebedo ka kedo kodgi e kinde ma samoro gigo ma gikedonegi gin makonyo ngima jopiny.
If you're celebrating 16 years and we still have women getting killed, we still have community being criminalized, we still have people not having even the dignity, houses being, people being evicted, what are we celebrating about? But as activists and also as a human rights defender and as an active citizen in this country, is to tell Kenyans where we are now, we cannot afford our constitution to be ripped, our constitution to be played with. We must protect. And we must safeguard, and especially also to the young people like myself.
In a country that says people like me should be on the streets begging, in a country that says I can't run for office, in a country that says some people cannot vote, I'm here to represent them that the dawn is here and our constitution and this flag entitles us to inclusion.
As we go back to our homes and to our communities, there's a cry in this country for justice. Justice for the victims of the Gen Z protest. Justice for the people in Homa Bay. Hadi leo hii tujue watu wangapi walikufa Homa Bay. Serikali imeficha mambo yote. Wale ambao walihusika, wale ambao walihire goons kule Homa Bay hawajafunguliwa mashtaka. Kwa hivyo kama serikali yetu itakuwa ni serikali ya goons, tunaomba kwamba wajiuzulu ndio Wakenya wakuwe safe.
Kama no bende